Hey there, I'm Victoriano Hernandez. I'm the executive chef of Fooq, and today we're cooking with Wild Fork Foods sea bass. So first we're gonna cut up some butter. Want to add your herbs layer by layer. Super important. A lot of Miami chefs are scared of salt. A good way to know when you gotta add your next herb is when you can smell the first one. Now we know what to add. Fenugreek seeds, the reason I love Persian cuisine so much. You can eyeball. It's all up to you. I'm a huge fan of fenugreek, so I go a good amount. Just a little bit of water. It's pretty good. So for fish, I'm a huge fan of sea salt, just because it penetrates the skin just a little bit better than regular salt. So we're gonna poach it in this liquid. Now we say bye to this for about 12 minutes. Enjoy a glass of wine. I'm gonna go a little under with this fish. You don't want it overcooked. Be liberal with the pomegranate seeds. Oops. That one's a Scooby snack. And that's ready to serve to our friends right there. Find the entire recipe on thehungrypost.com. Hope you enjoyed.